fortress made of dirt and silent stone. I walk the perimeter all on my own. The morning mist is clinging to the grass, watching the shadows as the hours pass. I lay the foundation of a winding path, away from the noise and the world's cold wrath. The shovel breaks the surface of the clay to start the slow design of a brand new day.
One stone at a time,
until the edge is clear,
building a sanctuary
that I hold dear.
Watch it grow in the silence of the light, turning the darkness into something bright. Petals unfolding in the softest breeze, finding my peace among the swaying trees. Every seed is a promise that we keep, while the rest of the world is fast asleep.
I plant the lavender along the western wall.